Guys, iOS 26 is here. And no, your phone didn't just become a fish tank, but it does look kinda wet. April calls it liquid glass. Menus are see-through now. Basically, it's a window into my empty bank account. Your iPhone now translates calls live. So when your crush says I'm busy, it instantly translates to they're ignoring you, fam. Aish, battery dying.
Nope.
Adaptive power mode saves it. Unless you still binge TikTok for 12 hours, then that's on you. And also, spam calls. Now, strangers gotta explain. Just text me like a normal scammer. Don't lie to you. The clock moves around your wallpaper now, so it stops blocking your dog's face. Finally, Apple solved the real problem here. If you got iPhone 11 or newer, you're good. But if you're still on iPhone 7, don't update. Update your life. Don't lie to you.